Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Pixel phone device, and I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this tablet. To do it, you need to firstly, of course, enable the dark mode on this device. To enable the dark mode, you need to open display and then find here the dark theme and just enable it. So click on it and it will make your screen appearance darker. So the most part of my screen, as you can see, is black right now, and it means that in these places when I have black color, screen is disabled and not consuming a battery power. Then disable all unnecessary features. For example, disable internet if you don't need it right now, or disable mobile network if you don't need it right now. Disable the Bluetooth if you don't need it right now. Disable the newbie share. And of course, if you don't need location services, click on the pencil button, find here location services, click and hold on it and drag to the upper part of the screen, go back, find here location, click on it and click close. Cool. Then of course, next step you can do is to enable the battery saving mode. Do it, open settings, then in the settings scroll down, find the battery, scroll down and find the battery saver, and in the battery saver click on the enable button and click turn on. And cool, I have enabled the dark mode on this device. So dark mode, I have enabled the battery saver mode on this device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.